Here are the top 5 common mistakes made with the 1031 exchange. Number 1, not setting up the exchange before closing. One of the most common mistakes people can make is when you go to sell the asset, you're not setting up the exchange prior to closing. You run out of time and all of a sudden you forgot to set it up or didn't set it up in time. And guess what? The funds go to your personal account. It's over. You're going to pay the tax. Number 2, not buying equal or greater value. In a 1031 exchange, if you're looking for full tax deferral, remember it's essential to buy a replacement property of equal or greater value than the property you sold. So if you sold for $3 million, buy for $3 million. If you sold for $5 million, you need to buy for $5 million. Number 3, failure to identify replacement property on time. There are strict timelines with the 1031 exchange, including a 45-day identification period to figure out which properties you're going to be closing on or potentially closing on for the purchase. And also you have 180 days to close on those. So make sure that you're not missing the deadlines to identify on 45 days or the deadline to close on said assets within 180 days of the time that you sold. Number 4, not understanding full tax deferral requirements. And so not fully understanding requirements for achieving full tax deferral can lead to unexpected tax liabilities, such as if you had debt on the asset that you sold, you need to also replace that debt on the next asset that you're buying. So if you sold a $5 million asset and you had $2 million of debt, you need to buy a $5 million asset with at least $2 million of debt. Not meeting those full requirements can lead to taxes. Number 5, not using a non-qualified 1031 exchange intermediary. In other words, using someone that's not a third-party qualified 1031 exchange company. For 1031 exchange to be valid, it's essential to use a qualified intermediary to handle the proceeds from the sale. Using someone who doesn't meet the requirements can jeopardize the entire exchange. You want to make sure you do not make these 5 mistakes. By the way, if you're looking for a backup plan for a failing 1031 exchange or you're looking for an opportunity to save your failed 1031 exchange, you can go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com, where we offer an amazing solution that's close to a 30-year track record to help you not feel trapped by 1031 ever again and have a backup plan in case it fails. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out capitalgainstaxsolutions.com.